Everyone teaches you how to move, but no one teaches you how to kill your fast moving enemy. In this video, I will teach you tricks to deal with pro players that no one tells you. Your opinion is very important to me, so comment it.
The first trick is to use an attachment, especially inside your loadouts. 9mm hollow point ammunition, which gives your bullets the power to paralyze the enemy. But how? When you shoot your enemy's leg, it will stop the enemy's sprint mode, whether it is normal sprint or tactical sprint. And it gives the enemy a short stun, and you can hit it easily, especially for small maps like Shipment where you can set hip-fire loadouts. The next point is that the first shooter dies first. Of course, it is mostly used in Battle Royale mode. If you get scared and start shooting aimlessly when dealing with an enemy with high and professional movement, you will definitely be killed or get a finishing move when you reload. Use a combination of sitting and standing by opening and closing the aim. It helps you to have a combination of aiming accuracy in hipfire and bullet accuracy in aim. The next point is to use these three tactical to slow down the enemy and kill her. But the time and distance you throw them is very important. These are like a double-edged knife, which can slow you down. So you must use them on time and correctly. In the field upgrades, this mine can help you. In addition to the movement of the enemy, it can also disrupt her vision. In order to use it better, instead of throwing it on the ground, stick it in places where the enemy is exposed to it the most time. I hope this video works and you support me to reach my goal. I invite you to see a highlight of my game.
اینجا بچه ها اینجا مارک کردم برای تو. مرسی
برای سمت چپ
من خیلی لگم
من چپیه رو بسه فینیش کنم.
آبی خورده تو ماشین. همینجا
خدا همینجا و اونجا رو از ایرانی ها بگیره بازی. من واقعا خوشم شد. خدا دارم پلیره. ای خدا. دمیجشون قد نبود. ریدم تو ریجسته باز والا باید که باید میشه به ما نگفتی چیه. یه خوبه چی؟
Active.
دومی هم ناک.
میاو.
گام بردارم اینجا.
برگشتم دیگه انداختیم اصلا با پات نرفتی منو بگی اون که نداره
بگو دارم میرسم بسم
شیرون
چند نفرن اینا؟ یکی جای من دقیقا جایی که من ناکم کرک یکی یارش هم بینیش هم داد کسش محمد هست تو بازی چون واسه من لف خب من کیرم تو پنجره که نمیره
Enemy UAV active. Enemy UAV active. Hostile advanced UAV deployed. Hostile advanced UAV deployed.
یکی رفت بیرون